Magandang hapon sa lahat. Time for another Tagalog WOTD. What's our Tagalog WOTD?
Ang taas.
Utang.
Look.
What? Oh, you paid your utang, Mudra?
Mhm.
Your utang is 403.89?
Oo.
Oh my gulay.
Hindi ko na itanong kung from when.
Wow. Are they gonna send us a statement? Utang means
Billing.
no, I know it's a billing. So what I'm just using that as an example for Tagalog WOTD.
Utang.
May utang ka ba? Noon. Example, may utang ka ba?
Meron.
Nagbayad ka na ba ng utang mo?
Oo.
So that's just our quick Tagalog WOTD.
Wow.
So that's all everyone. That's all for our Tagalog WOTD.
Grabe talaga.
Grabe?
Oo.
Well, I already made a video about grabe and you can find that on my YouTube channel. Babush!